Buying the best kids' backpacks is tricky because most of them fall apart after just 3 months of school abuse. I didn't want you to waste your cash, so I bought the top 5 most popular options to see which ones can actually handle heavy textbooks and messy lunches. I tested the zippers, the straps, and the comfort levels. Here is what I found. Product number 1, Beckman Classic. I started with the Beckman Classic, and honestly, holding this felt like holding a serious piece of hiking gear scaled down for a 6-year-old. The padding on the back is incredible. It's anatomically shaped so it doesn't slouch against the spine. When I adjusted the chest and hip straps, it really took the weight off the shoulders, which is huge for growing kids. It's got 22 liters of space, and I loved the dedicated waterproof pocket for a lunchbox, because we all know juice boxes leak. It even comes with a built-in rain cover and these cool interchangeable Velcro patches that kids will love swapping out. It's made from recycled bottles, which feels sturdy, not cheap. If you want the absolute best support for your first or second grader's posture, this is the one to beat. But if you need lunch storage built right in. Product number 2, Bentgo Kids 2-in-1. You have to check out the Bentgo Kids 2-in-1. This solves a major headache. When I unpacked it, the first thing I noticed was the matching insulated lunch bag that straps right to the backpack. No more kids forgetting their lunch on the bus because it's all one unit. The rocket print looks vibrant and the fabric feels wipeable, which is a must. I tested the main compartment and it's surprisingly roomy with plenty of pockets for notebooks. The straps are padded enough for daily use, though maybe not as technical as the Beckman. The zippers feel smooth, not catchy. My favorite part is just how cohesive it is. It looks neat. If you are tired of your kid losing their lunch bag or dragging multiple things to school, this system is a lifesaver. However, if you want something a bit more traditional. Product number 3, Qsangel Kids Backpack. I looked at the Qsangel next. This one is a 16-inch bag, and touching the material, it feels soft but durable, resistant to scratches. The zippers have these nice little rubber pulls that make it easy for small hands to grab. I stuffed a few binders inside to test the capacity, and it swallowed them up with room to spare for a sweater. It has plenty of pockets on the outside for water bottles or trinkets. I noticed the shoulder straps are decent, breathable mesh, so it won't get too sweaty in the summer. It doesn't have the crazy ergonomic engineering of the first bag, but it feels solid for the price. If you want a cute, functional bag that fits a standard folder without bending the corners, this is a great choice. But sometimes you just want a brand you know. Product number 4, Adidas Creator School Backpack. So I grabbed the Adidas Creator. As soon as I held this, I could tell it was built for abuse. The polyester feels thick and tough. If your kid throws their bag on the concrete playground every day, this is the material you want. I really like the layout. It's simple but effective, with a big main pocket and a smaller front one for pencils and phones. The straps have that classic springy padding Adidas is known for. I loaded it with heavy books and it sat comfortably on my back without digging in. It wipes clean pretty easily too. It doesn't have cute cartoons on it, but it looks sharp and sporty. If you have an active kid who plays sports and needs a bag that can take a beating and last all year, this is the safest bet. Product number 5, Lightning Book Bag. Finally, I tested this lightning print backpack. This one is a bit larger at 17 inches, making it better for older elementary or middle schoolers. The design pops. It actually looks really cool in person. I poured some water on the outer shell to test the waterproofing claims, and it beaded right off, so your homework stays dry in a downpour. It's very lightweight when empty, which helps when you have to carry heavy textbooks. Inside, there's a specific spot for a laptop or tablet, which is great if your school requires tech. The padding on the back is breathable, which helps prevent that sweaty back patch. If you have a slightly older kid who needs extra space for a computer and wants a loud, fun design, this is the one to grab. So that's the breakdown. Whether you need the ergonomic support of the Beckman or the durability of the Adidas, there is a solid option here for every grade level. I've put links to all of them in the description below so you can check current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.